When it comes to procrastination, there are no real benefits or gains. In fact, procrastination usually has negative consequences. Let's explore this topic from the perspective of the law of attraction, as mentioned in the TV video you referred to. The law of attraction suggests that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to attract similar experiences into our lives. If we focus on positive thoughts and take action towards our goals, we are more likely to achieve them. On the other hand, if we dwell on negativity or delay taking action, we may attract more of the same. By procrastinating, you may be sending a message to the universe that you are not truly committed to your goals. This can result in a lack of clarity and direction in your life. Additionally, procrastination can lead to missed opportunities and increased stress as unfinished tasks pile up and become more difficult to handle. Procrastination can also negatively affect your self-esteem and self-confidence. As you continually postpone things, you may start to feel guilty, frustrated, and disappointed in yourself. These negative feelings can influence your energy and attract more situations where you feel unmotivated or unable to move forward. In summary, procrastination doesn't bring any real benefits. Instead, it is more productive to cultivate a mindset of action and commitment to your goals, seeking to accomplish tasks in a timely and efficient manner. This will attract more positive results and a sense of fulfillment in your life. In conclusion, procrastination is a barrier to our growth and success. By delaying tasks, we are only depriving ourselves of opportunities to achieve our goals and manifest our desires. The law of attraction reminds us that our thoughts and actions shape our reality. Therefore, it is essential to let go of procrastination and commit to taking immediate action. By doing so, we open doors to abundance, success, and fulfillment in all areas of our lives. Remember, time is precious and on our side when we set ourselves in motion. Let's harness the power of the present moment and manifest our deepest dreams. You are capable and deserving of achieving everything you desire. Believe, act, and conquer.